Hi, this is Jim at A1 Vacuum Solutions in Richfield, Minnesota. One of the most frequently asked questions we get at the store is how frequently should we change our belt in our vacuum? There are round belts, flat belts, geared belts, filament fill belts. The geared and filament fill belts normally don't stretch. They'll break after 5 to 7 years. Flat belts, round belts, we suggest that you change somewhere between 4 and 6 months because they stretch out of shape with the heat and the resistance of the brush roll. So stop in and see us at the store. We're located at 1311 East 66th Street in Richfield. Our phone number is 612-869-2555. And our website is www.a1vacmn.com. Thank you.